Hi, I'm Eleanor with Pinpoint Massage and Bodywork, and I am going to be demonstrating for you how to use facial cups. So these are the cups that I do sell. For my Christmas package, if you're getting this with the Christmas package, you're also getting a loofah to wash your face as well as some oil, which is this is just almond oil. I'm also offering vitamin E as well. So, but if you're not getting this at Christmas, this is what you got with your cupping package. It's one big cup and one little facial cup, so we can work on the face. So let's get down to it. So the first thing you're going to do when you are using your cups is you're going to wash your face like normal. If you have the loofah, this is kind of what it looks like. You have the loofah, you're just going to wash your face with normal soap that you normally use, and then just use this in a circular fashion, kind of going up the way we're going to be doing the cups. So after you wash your face, pat your face dry, and then what you're going to do is you're going to add your lotion or your oils to your skin. Vitamin E is what my esthetician friends have told me is a very good, just kind of generic thing to put on your skin. Almond oil as well. But if your esthetician, dermatologist, or anybody else has told you something else to use, feel free to use that. It's going to work just as fine. So the way I do it is, let me take that ring off. The way I do it is I have this, and it's a little roller ball, and you can roll it directly onto the skin, or you can put it on your hands, and I just roll it on my hand on the tips of the fingers because that's what I use, and then together, and then just kind of put it all over the skin. When we're going to be cupping today, we're going to be cupping the big areas of the skin. We're not going to do our eyeballs because that's just, don't do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out. So I have oil now on my skin. It's very, very good, healthy for your skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the big cup, and we're going to start in the center and move out kind of towards the ears until we get to the eye line, and then we're going to kind of come up to the hairline. So depending on the size of face that you have, it's going to depend on whether you use the big one or the small one. I really, really, really like these Lure cups. That's the brand that this is. I don't know if that's going to be able to be read. But the Lure cups are the ones that I really, really like. I really like the smaller Lure cup because this is actually a little bit bigger than the one I have in my office for when I do facial cupping at the office. And I like this one better. I've been using it now for about a week, and I like this one so much better than the other ones that I have. So these are great cups. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the chin and go out up to the ear. This is great for TMJ problems. If you grind your teeth, all of this, it's going to make all of this feel really good. It's good for sinus pressure here. If you have sinus headaches, if you have any type of headache, this is really good. So how we do this is we're going to start here. We're going to squeeze the cup, put it to our face, and then let go. That creates that suction. And then you're going to see, I absorbed all of that oil as I was talking. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply, hold with one hand, and then use the other hand to pull it up there. And you're just going to do a couple passes. Oh my gosh, that feels so good, especially right here. I've recently had some dental work done, and so this has been bugging me ever since, and oh my gosh, it feels so good. After we do pass here, I just kind of go up each, so it's not directly on, but it's kind of overlapping. Then we're going to start here and go across and follow that cheekbone. You can see I get nice and pink. That's what we're looking for. That nice pink actually indicates that there's blood flow. There's an increased blood flow to the area. I get really red anyway, but that's nice blood flow. It's fresh nutrition to that area. Then you're going to start here at this area The glabella is what it's called. And you're going to follow the hairline around. And then you're just going to kind of, like you're giving yourself several sets of eyebrows, but just going to the hairline. Again, you're holding that skin right where you start. Squeeze, attach. Don't leave it sit there. You'll end up with a hickey on your face. And try explaining that. It's not fun. It's funny, but it's not. It's funny years after, but it's not. Now, if you have a normal size forehead, you might not be able to get as far as I can. I have a very large forehead. Now, the small one is going to be for like these little wrinkle areas. So if you know that like above the lip, the big one's not going to go. I also have this mole, so it doesn't like to go on this side for very long. I still have some oil on my fingers, so. You attach, squeeze, place, and pull. Now, if you have like little laugh lines here, you can do this thing. Now, there's one, and you're just kind of flipping it off, and this is going to help with any laugh lines or wrinkles that you might have. This helps to kind of plump out those wrinkles. This is pulling the skin away. This vacuum suction is pulling it away. So you're going to attach, squeeze, put it on your skin, let go, and then just kind of pop it off. But you're not gonna pull it off. You're just gonna pop it off to the side so it makes that little noise. If you have laugh lines here, around the eyes, you can get a little bit of a kissing motion. If you have them up here, you can use them up here. I tend to get them like right here, but I've been doing this for a week now, and they're going away. Like, I don't have them real deep, but I was starting to notice them. And they started going away. It was awesome. This is also really good right here for if you have some sinus pressure. Pull from the nose down. And again, you can kind of see how I'm really red here. And then you just do the other side. Just like you did on the other side. So then again, you hold. It takes just a few minutes. You just get used to it. And if it comes off and it pops off, that's okay. I'm just not as good with my left hand. You just start over again. And there you go. And that's how you do it. Now, to clean these, the best way to clean these is going to be with soap and water. You're using these for yourself. You're using these for you and yourself alone. If you are using these for other people and you're trying to do this a little bit more professionally, I'm going to refer you to the Cupping Revolution so you can watch their things, see some of their videos and look at what they do to disinfect. I do disinfect them. If you end up getting something, like if you have a little bit of acne and you end up getting a little blood on these are silicone. They're very durable. They're high heat resistant, so you can stick them in the dishwasher if you'd like. But if you do end up getting any type, like a little bit of blood on them from maybe an open cut that you have on your face or whatever, then what you're going to want to do is soak them for 20 minutes in a 10-part water, 1-part bleach solution after you wash them, and then rinse them off after that 20 minutes. If you do that too often, the bleach will make the cups cloudy, but they're still as effective as before. So other than that, just wash them with hot soapy water. I use Dawn dish soap, and then I soak mine in a hospital grade hydrogen peroxide solution that I buy, but it's really expensive, so I wouldn't suggest it for home use. So that's how you use these cups, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye.